It's a white, so it looks like it's like snowing. We got this minion right here, and these pink that we're gonna put outside.
Well, that's not all we're gonna do. We are gonna decorate our house big time. There's a lot of options to choose from here at Home Depot. Ravenna and the kids have been saying that they want to decorate, and I don't want to do it a little bit. I don't want to do it half-assed, if you know what I mean. I want to do it the right way. I mean, there's so many things that we can do, but we're not only decorating the inside, because we have the tree now, and we're gonna have to get all the ornaments on there, but we're decorating the outside. And again, I don't want to do it half-assed. I mean, we've done it half-assed many times before in the past. You know, all the neighbors looked a lot better than our house because we didn't go that extra step. And this time we want to go that extra step to make a beautiful home. And what else do you need a lot of in order to do this?
Light, patience, time, focus, and lights.
And what about money? This costs a lot of money to buy these lights. No, it's not euros. No, this is a dollar. We're trying to decide what color lights to put on our home. Okay, but we're gonna do a vote.
Okay.
Raise your hand if you want colored lights.
Actually, before this was not on camera, I wish it was. We were doing the vote, and Camilla was like this.
Yeah, all right, so colored lights it is. How come you put back the minion?
Because Sophia wanted Santa, and I wanted a minion. So me and Sophia both didn't like this, so we just decided to get it.
If you're trying to waste time.
Well, that was an expensive and overwhelming experience in Home Depot. But it's not over, unfortunately, because now Ravenna asked to stop at Home Goods for some tree ornaments, and she's getting very anxious. What's the matter, Camila? So we did have a lot of Christmas decorations, but we did move about a year ago, and so a lot of the things that we had to throw out. Our tree broke last year. We had these light up reindeer, which I never liked, so I ended up throwing those out. So we're really, you know, we're starting from scratch. And this is going to be the first Christmas that Camila can participate in Christmas decorations.
And this is our first year decorating full time.
Okay, so now I got to get everyone, and we have to meet Ravenna in Home Goods. Let's go.
Some ornaments for the tree. I got a Santa Claus and some other decorations to put under the tree. I need to get more things, but Anthony's stressing me out. He didn't even get in, and he's already saying, let's go.
She doesn't want to go in the back.
She has to go, babe. Come on.
Leo, take her. Okay. A couple years ago when I did this in our old house, we had gutters, and I had these clips that fastened easily onto the gutters. We don't have gutters in this house here. Watch her, Rove. But fortunately, we got these clips here, and they're big enough to clip on to the tile. So you can see I did that right there. So here I'll put it on just like this. Push it on real good. There you go. Look at that. Perfect.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try. A little bit to the left, right around there. That's good. Got to push it in real tight. There you go. Good.
But how are we gonna put the lights?
Well, we're gonna do it now.
Okay, so I'm thinking to make it go on the side like you did over there.
Down the side
and then
there.
Get onto the roof, and the way to get onto my roof is from the window. So put the lights on the roof, and then it can be. You see how it goes up right above the B?
We're gonna go diagonal up the tiles like that.
So that's what I'm thinking.
I can do that, but then the question is that do we put it up the ridges? I don't know if we're supposed to put the lights up the ridges. You see the corner there? You see how it kind of goes like this and like this? Am I supposed to put the lights up that? I don't know, but we're gonna see. And how in the world am I supposed to get up to the second story roof? This is gonna be a challenge. And how am I supposed to get the lights all the way up here? I can't obviously do it. I can probably get to there, but if you're gonna do it right, you gotta get to the top. So I might have to get someone with a bigger ladder, but in the meantime, this is what I've accomplished so far, me and Leo. Let's continue.
Okay guys, so my dad has no idea how to attach it here. So I'm thinking like attach it right here. Just go up and then down, but I'm not sure how to do it.
All right, let me get up there and figure it out. I just gotta find places to clip these on.
I told you before, dude.
It's gotta start here.
Oh yeah, it needs to start there.
See, at the end, it was easy to clip on the tile, but
yeah,
these tiles are nailed in and there's not much space in between.
Huh.
Man, this is not easy. I was able to successfully clasp them on. I want to get the white lights and put them around the windows. And now I need more lights to connect onto here and to finish finish the front of the roof. And then I have to get all the way up there. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. All right, could you throw them up? Oh
my God.
Okay, I'm gonna get it. You gotta go slow. You don't want it to fall off. And thank God I have these knee pads. Let's get them.
Okay.
Got it. So far, so good. But now I'm gonna get up on the second floor roof, and you can see that I'm wearing the family business hard hat, weather tight roofing, my dad's company. And you never can be too safe these days. And so for those of you who don't know, say, Anthony, you're a lawyer. What are you doing on the roof? Well, I also am a certified roofing contractor in the state of Florida. I have my own roofing company. So if you guys need a roof, 561-954-ROOF.
How are you doing with the tree?
I'm doing good, I think. I need some more ornaments because, as you can see, since the tree is white, all the gold ornaments, you can see them from up close, but not from far away. And I think the tree needs a little bit more color, so I gotta add some more green.
Well, I mean, it has a lot of color with the lights, except right there.
But it needs a little bit more like greens and reds. And I don't know, I was thinking maybe I should put bones like here and there. I think it will look very pretty,
Yeah, maybe.
like this.
Okay, so now my dad's bringing the ladder upstairs so we can put it on Camilla's balcony to get onto the second floor roof. So he's thinking of getting on the ladder right here and then onto the second floor roof. As you can see, here's the pool. So yeah, he's about to go on the second floor roof, and let's see what happens.
All right, I made it to the top. What are you doing down there? Come on up here and help me. I need you on the side over here because I have to drop the lights down. You got to plug it in.
Be careful!
Don't try this at home. It's not easy.
Well, you're a roofer.
Okay, I got it.
Take vertical too a little bit. Okay, I'm very high up. And when I was on the ground, I was fastening them from the ladder. Okay, so I was right in the front. Right now, I have to do it basically upside down. And it is a little scary. And of course, my wife tells me that I didn't do it right. I have to go back and redo it and risk my life and go back just so I can make the lights a little bit tighter. Very difficult. You think it looks good like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I agree with you. Do I stop it here?
Yeah, just there, it's fine.
Leo and I are still working on the house. Whew, we've come a long way. You can see that we did the pillars over there.
And we did like around the garage.
We wrapped the lights around the
we did
garage
one
doors.
tree.
Yep, we did this tree over here. We still have a bunch to do because we have now the thicker lights for the other trees, and we have the white lights for the windows. Are we gonna do it all tonight, Leo?
Maybe.
Let's go check in on see Mama's progress.
It's still to add some more ornaments, but it's 80% done.
Very nice. I like it.
And guys, look, these things can actually light up.
All right, guys, so here I'm up in the tree now. Leo's doing a great job helping me. I'm not gonna make it to the top, unfortunately, but the house looks great so far. Check it out. Jeez, I'm getting bit by mosquitoes up here.
It's coming together. I don't like it up there. Dada, you have to fix up there. This is a very tall palm tree.
Don't try this at home, guys.
It looks good.
Looks good?
That's
Thank
a lot
you.
of work he did.
I know.
You're all set.
Did you pray for him at church?
Pray for me at church.
She said earlier, I'm going to church now, I'm going to pray for Anthony.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I need it because I just almost fell off the ladder.
Okay, guys, so it's finally pitch black outside. So right now we're going outside into the neighborhood to see, get us inspired of what some of the people did for their decorations. So we have, an idea of what to do.
Yeah. And I gotta say, Leo and I did a great job today. And a lot better than we did in prior years. Remember that one year we got one of those projectors, Ravenna?
Oh my God, that was
I mean, it was awful. So yeah, it was so cheap. And then the other year we just put a few lights up.
And those lights stayed up for a whole year until we actually sold the house. I think the lights are still up.
No, they're not still up, but we did keep them up for a long time. That's true.
Yeah, I remember.
All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go around the neighborhood and we're going to see some of the other homes with the lights, and we're going to pat ourselves on the back because we know that we did a better job than them. It was a joke. You know why? Because we're not competing with anyone else. We just compete with ourselves.
Unless there was
We just improve ourselves. Next year, we're going to be better than we were this year, okay? So we're always trying to do better, although we did do better than a lot of other homes. So let's go check it out. Okay, so this is our house, and we're not 100% finished.
It's so dark. And now pointing at our house, it's so light.
Yeah, look at that. I gotta say, you know,
We did good.
we did a good job. We did a heck of a lot better than prior years.
Oh.
We also have to take into account the danger factor, okay? Because it wasn't easy doing what I did today. And I had to get up on the roof. If I fell off, I would have broken both of my legs and my head. But I did it for the team. I did it for the family to get the best result as possible. So let's go take a look at some of these other homes.
So this is my friend's house.
Yep, I mean, it's nice, but they don't have a two-story. Okay, it's nice. Again, it's clean, it's neat, it's simple. But they didn't get extra points for doing it on a two-story building.
Yeah.
So far we're in the lead. Wait a second.
Last year.
Wow,
I heard.
Well, they did better. They did better. This house obviously beat ours. They have the same model as our house. They went up on the second floor. Their lights actually wrap around the house, unlike mine. And I love that wreath. I love what they did
And
there.
what about the palm trees that they did?
Palm trees, yep, and they went a lot higher too. They had to have a
decorated
big
the
ladder.
mailbox.
Oh my God. Okay, well, you know what? The good news is we're not even done decorating our home. So look, the point of this was to go get some inspiration. And now, and look at it. Look at, they wrapped around the house right there. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with little snowmen here in Florida. Look at this.
Just the
What the heck is that? That was like our house last year.
Yeah. This is.
Oh, they have the projector.
I don't like that. This is like a little bit like ours. No. They just didn't do the roof and.
Oh, look at this one. This is weak.
No, look at this one.
Why even do anything?
That one they just.
Seriously.
Like that one they just got.
What the heck is going on here?
That's
This is nice.
It's not bad.
Not as nice as ours, but it's nice. I can see how they did it with windows.
No, I mean that's not.
Oh, I like how they did it up the pillars.
That's simple.
Up the pillars. Oh, look at that Christmas tree inside, though. That was really nice.
Look at this one.
Oh, look at Santa Claus outside.
I think this one might have beat us.
No, this is
No,
cute.
I know. I mean,
It's like the same as
it's
ours.
got a blow-up snowman.
You know,
Oh, but they have the
we
projector.
could get those big lights like they did and put them up on the palm tree.
I mean, that's like ours. Oh,
I won't say it's the best, but it is very nice. Wait a second. They have a second floor, and they did not go on the second floor.
Yes.
minus points. Wait, we didn't rate anything.
But it is clean. It is nice.
We didn't rate.
I like that joy colorful statue thing in the back.
Yeah, but we didn't rate anything.
Well, I think that there was certainly one better than ours.
This is like ours.
Maybe two.
This is like ours. This is like
It's nice, but they didn't do the second floor. Oh, this is a nice, look at that. Whoa, look at this house coming
Oh
up.
my god.
This one definitely won.
Yo.
This one definitely won. Check out this house.
Oh my god.
Whoa, look how great
Yeah.
this one is.
Oh my
This
God.
one definitely beat ours.
They even went on the roof. Oh,
Wait a second.
that's our stemma.
This is our house. Wait a second. We thought this was someone else's house and they won, but this is our house. Come on. Okay, so what did we learn today?
So our inspiration was we need to add like one more statue and like one inflatable to make like it more like Christmassy, and we need
Like a snowman inflatable?
Yeah, and like we need to add a reef.
I think we still have some more things to do. It doesn't look finished.
Yeah, like just the lights. It's
Well, we're not going to conclude this video. I mean, this is a work in progress. We had to stop because the mosquitoes came out. We have to go get some more supplies, but I think that we're at least 80% done. I don't know we're going to do a wreath like that other house
Like-
because we have our family crest up there,
Crown
and maybe
the
we're going to have to illuminate our family crest.
That could be.
Yeah,
That's
I like
what we should do.
I like that
And we
idea.
can illuminate that with the white, maybe.
Yeah, with the white.
Yeah. But also the wreaths, I'm gonna put them by the front
No,
door, and I haven't done the porch
no.
yet.
I want to
Okay.
put like a reef around the family stemma.
Okay, well, guys, it's a work in progress, but you know, we learned a lot by riding the golf cart around, looking at the other homes, and we know that we're already in the lead with a lot of them. Let us know what you guys think. How did we do today? We didn't half-ass it, that's for
What should
sure.
we add?
But we are perfectionists, and we didn't do a perfect job.
So
Okay, it's not perfect.
The one with joy.
But we did better than the years prior, and we did do it a lot better.
Yeah, it
And we
looks-
were thorough. We were a lot more thorough.
Yeah, so like the one with joy in the background, that's second or third, and we're second or third. The best one that we thought was definitely first.
Okay, well, stay tuned, guys, while we put the finishing touches on it tomorrow. Hey, guys, welcome back. It's day 2, and Leo and I are back up here on the roof. We're going to be illuminating our family crest here with these white lights. We have our friend Bella, and she's on the ground there. She's our assistant today, and she's throwing up the lights, and she's gonna throw up the nails, whatever we need, and we are gonna get this done. And then after that, we're gonna head over to the hardware store for some finishing touches.
Yeah, for like the blow-ups, because we also need statues. We can't just have lights.
All right, let's do it.
How is it going, roofers?
Well, so he had to take these things, which are the lights, because he didn't want it looking like there's just a big strip of lights going that way. So he took the lights that were there off, so then when you turn it on, it would be like it's just here and it's not
I hope
there.
it comes out good at night.
It's gonna look beautiful.
Why Dada is wearing those things on the knees and you're not?
Because I don't think I know.
It hurts me because I have bad knees. I've already had a surgery on one knee before.
What?
I'm heavier, which means my body weight pushes the knees down into the surface.
Just say you're an old man.
I'm an old man. That's true. Okay, come on, guys. You gotta help me. Come on.
Okay. Okay, guys. So my dad is right now putting on the arm while they're just messing around. Let's see. I'm gonna go
Actually,
inside.
you go inside, Leo.
Okay, I'll go inside.
Oh,
Okay.
you see the thing?
Yes.
It's gotta go in that hole.
Yeah, it's in the O. Okay. Push it.
Good?
Yep. Now do the same with the other one. Okay.
Push.
Yep, that's good. Okay, guys. So
Let's
me
try
and my
to
dad
finish
are going inside. Here is my dad. Sophia.
I think that it needs to come closer, to the metal. There you go. Good, good. Perfect.
We just finished the snowman, as you can see, and we told you that we were gonna decorate the mailbox, and we did so much. So we just added a little bow, as you can see right there. Yeah, not too much like the other house where it actually looked like a black triangle with lights. Stay tuned for later. Well, that's gonna happen in a few seconds for you guys, but not for us, because we need to wait for it to get dark, and we're gonna go on the golf cart and look around and see how good our house is compared to the others. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Peace.
Your house looks amazing, guys.
Thank you. Thanks. Finally, you can see the finished product.
Well, we still have too much trees.
What trees, Leo? I mean, we've done like so much already.
No, we
We
still
kick
have
butt.
2 more trees to finish.
We don't have 2 more trees.
Yes,
I'm not
we
doing.
do.
I'm not doing the 2 more
We have
trees. No. We have a fantastic outcome right here.
We have 2 more
Look
trees.
at that. We've got 2 trees.
We have 2 more trees.
Well, it's finished for me. This is the best job that I've ever done in 46 years, and I'm very proud of it.
You're that old?
Yes, I am that old, and I'm very proud. I'm very proud of it.
I want to do better than you when I'm 46.
Well, you know what? You helped me, so this is you also. You did a lot of the work too.
Thank you for watching this video about us decorating the house and the Christmas tree, and stay tuned for our next project. Peace.